Welcome to homework.
Hello and welcome to this video solution of numeric. So this spring is having an unstretched length L naught that is equal to zero point 0.3, right? And you have to determine the mass of each bar when this angle theta is 30 degrees, right? So clearly what we see is that the weight mg is acting downwards, right? The reaction force at B is By down, and let's say, or maybe I take it in the upward direction, By, and Bx along the horizontal direction, right? And at A you will have only vertical reaction Ax, let's say, right? So first of all, what you can do is you can take the moment about C, right, and equate it to 0. So here you will be having mg uh, mg cos 30 by 2 times 2, right? The length is 2, this length is 2, and this is a cos, right? uh, Sorry, that will be balancing. This is clockwise. By will be counterclockwise, and bx will also be counterclockwise, right? That is equal to bx bx times 2 cos 30 plus by times 2 sin 30, right, is what we have. And here root 3 mg, that is equal to root 3 bx plus by, right? So let's say this is equation y1 I take. Now similarly, if you take moment about A, summation of moment about A and equate it to 0, you will be left with mg. Again in the it will produce clockwise moment, mg times 2 cos theta, 2 cos 30 by 2 by 2, that and this will produce clockwise moment followed by two counterclockwise moments, right? So here you will be root 3 by 2, right? So this will be the same equation. You will be left with 3bx plus by, right? So this you can neglect. Next, what you can do is you need to calculate the force, right? Now this length, if you see here, this is if you see, take the half, this is 2 sine 30, and this is 2 sine 30 again, right? So overall length is 2 meters, right? But the unstretched length is zero point 0.3, so the elongation x will be equal to L minus of L naught, right? L is 2 minus L naught is zero point 0.3. This is 1.7 meters, right? And the spring force Fs, that is equal to Kx, right? K is 150, that's given, and X is 1.7 Newton. So it's 255 Newton, right? And this Fs is the spring force, and this is balancing By, right? And both the weights. This is Fs, that's equal to 2 mg plus By, right? This is 255, that is equal to 2 mg plus By, right? Now the next thing, you can take moment about B, right? Summation of moment about B and equate it to 0. You consider this uh, the roller here, right? So that will consist of here you will be having minus mg times 2 by 2 cos of 30 degrees minus again the same mg times 2 by 2 cos 30 degrees plus 2 cos 30 times the spring force, that is equal to 0, right? This gives you Fs, that is equal to mg, right? Now if you just take this from this equation, and this Fs, you know, this is 255, that is equal to mass we need to calculate, and g is 9.8, right? So the mass from here it's equal to 26 kgs is the mass of each rod you will be having. I hope this is clear to you, and have a very good rest of the day. Thank you.